Okay, family. Hey, tastemakers, friends, family. Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am meal prepping for the week. I do 3 or 4 preps at a time, and then I'll go back after a few days and, get everything together. I have a busy week ahead of me, so I want to make sure I make good use of my pantry staples and everything that's in my fridge or freezer. I cooked out the other day, and so I'm making sure that I get some of that stuff. It's already cooked. And here are some leftovers. Like the rest of the week, I can work off of this, but I'm portioning this stuff out now. I made some broccoli yesterday, so I want to make sure this broccoli gets used up. And let's see, what am I going to do next? Oh, I need a spoon. This device is going in and out, so I don't know if y'all seen my first intro when I was working on my collard greens over here. Got collard greens going. Here, baked beans. Get a little bit of that. 2 tablespoons. It's carby. I'm going to get 2 tablespoons. These are yummy. So I'm going to put the rest in a container. So that I won't have to make baked beans on my next cookout. Okay, so put these aside. And so now I'm going to portion out a couple of salads. This is just lettuce, tomato, and cucumber right now. And I love in the summertime. I love chef salads. So I had some turkey. And some sliced deli turkey. I like to, of course, when I start filming, the phone rings. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some of that turkey to each salad. I'll have a mixed salad. When I boil eggs, I boil extra so that I can put it in a salad or anything else. Just eat them. Okay, so I have 2. Then I have some chickpeas. Drizzle some chickpeas on here. This is what I would add. I just remembered my first job was at Ponderosa Steakhouse. I was the salad girl. That's when I fell in love with chickpeas. And to this day, I still love salad. If you ever went to Ponderosa Steakhouse, you saw that girl running around making sure that and I stayed on top of my job, honey, with nothing. And so I think that's what got me into catering because I like serving. I like food service. All right, so yes. I'm going to try to avoid cheese. I have a party tray of cheese. I'm going to try to avoid that this week. Find the top. I wanted to taste that cheese to see how it was. It's good. Trying to find my lids. One lid there. Okay, so I eat my salads mostly at night. That's usually my last meal because I like my lowest glycemic meal to be last. So let me show you guys. Okay, so that's third meal. That's usually second meal. Sometimes I'll eat 3. So then I made my cherry berry yogurt smoothies. Bring this back. And then let's see. On the days I don't eat a smoothie, I eat collard greens. You see, I'm making those collard greens. I eat collard greens and pinto beans. And I make some homemade cornbread. And that's breakfast. I like to try to get my veggies in, you know, early as possible. And that helps regulate my blood sugar. Okay, so day 1. And that's breakfast. That's a lot of food. You know, I'm not running marathons. I'm not training for the Olympics. And I'm eating like I like to eat. Let me get this away here. And this is going to save me a lot. Hey guys, just because I'm retired doesn't mean my life isn't busy. There's a lot to do. And I give my hats off. I never was able, I'm not a mom, so when I started working at 16, I've worked every year for 4 decades. I worked every year, even if it was part-time when I was like in high school and then college, part-time. But once I graduated from college, it was full-time for 30-something years. So I've been in the workforce over 40 years. And working from home and being a housewife is not easy. There is always something to do. That's if you take pride in your home and all of that good stuff. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do today. I liked everything. I use ranch dressing. All right, and I can just heat and eat. Grab this when I first get up in the morning. I usually get some ice water. I drink a water. I drink a smoothie. There's protein in this because this is Greek yogurt. I put Greek yogurt plain Greek yogurt, a little banana, and some cherry. Cherries are so sweet. They're so good, and they're high glycemic though. But the protein in the yogurt kind of blunts the spike, the blood sugar spike. So I have berries, and I'll eat that. That's very satisfying in the summertime. I can work out afterwards. So I'll get water, get a smoothie, go and do my work. Come back for lunch, and I'll eat. I'll have ribs one day. I have chicken and sausage one day. I'll bring you guys up. Okay, so like I showed you guys the smoothies and for breakfast, and then one day for lunch I'll have ribs, baked beans, and broccoli. Second day, barbecued chicken and an Italian sausage. I'm gonna move these away. Then the next day I have Italian sausage and a drumstick chicken on a bed of sauteed onions. And then I'll have a hamburger and 2 tablespoons of baked beans and broccoli. Now, the green vegetables, you see, I fill them up to the rim. Okay, so we have that. And my third meal for dinner is a chef's salad with chickpeas, sliced turkey, half of egg, lettuce, romaine lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber. I'm out of red onions, so that's okay. Okay, so, hey, all of that, I've eaten all week long, probably under $25, if that much. Okay, friends and family tastemakers, hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'm just trying to inspire you and to encourage you to, just be a little mindful of your budget. I know if you're like me, if I know I have stuff, good stuff, healthy stuff ready for me at home, I'll just go on and I'll bypass any restaurants. It's like, I got ribs at home. I got a good salad because I love salad, so I'll go to Zaxby's. I'll get salads from Chick-fil-A in a minute, but I got me a good salad at home that's better. So just want to keep us motivated to prepare ahead of time, save money, make things a little more healthy, a little more healthier, and save money in the long time. Because this money has to last us. This body has to last us. So just want to, share a little inspiration. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, okay? And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Gotta get these collard greens.